Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the SZO Humidifier for bedroom large room, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This humidifier stands out with its innovative dual nozzle design, which disperses moisture twice as fast as traditional single nozzle models. This feature is especially beneficial for quickly balancing humidity levels in large rooms, providing fast relief from dry throats, congestion, and allergies. The adjustable mist control allows you to tailor the airflow to your needs, making it versatile for bedrooms, offices, or even for keeping your indoor plants healthy. One of the most impressive features is its ultra-quiet operation at just 16 dB, which is significantly quieter than the industry average of 28 dB. This whisper-quiet sleep mode makes it ideal for nurseries or light sleepers who need a peaceful environment without the distraction of humming sounds. The slim, flat design with a 4.65-inch profile is another plus, as it fits neatly on narrow nightstands or desks without taking up much space, blending seamlessly with modern decor. With a generous 2.5-liter tank capacity, the humidifier can run continuously for up to 25 hours on the low setting. The top-fill design is user-friendly, allowing you to refill the water easily without removing the tank, which helps prevent spills and makes cleaning straightforward thanks to the wide opening. Safety is also prioritized with an automatic shutoff feature when the water level is low, preventing dry burning. Powered by a standard 5V/1A USB connection, this humidifier offers great portability and flexibility. You can power it through a laptop, power bank, or adapter, making it suitable for both home use and travel. Pros: dual nozzles for faster and more efficient humidification, ultra-quiet operation at 16 dB, perfect for bedrooms and nurseries, slim and space-saving flat design, large 2.5L tank with up to 25 hours runtime, easy top fill and wide opening for hassle-free refilling and cleaning, auto shutoff for safety, USB powered for versatile use. Cons: USB adapter not included, requiring a compatible power source, may not be suitable for very large spaces beyond typical bedroom or office. Sizes: overall, the SZO Humidifier is a thoughtfully designed device that combines efficiency, quiet operation, and ease of use in a sleek package. If you're looking for a reliable humidifier to improve air quality and comfort in your bedroom or workspace, this model is definitely worth considering. Don't forget, the link to grab this humidifier at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and enjoy the benefits of better humidity control today.